Question 1 of 30. Ayodhya is regarded as the birthplace of which Hindu deity? A. Lord Krishna. B. Lord Rama. C. Lord Shiva. D. Lord Vishnu. B. Lord Rama. Question 2 of 30. Mathura is renowned as the birthplace of which deity? Mathura is renowned as the birthplace of which deity? A. Lord Rama. B. Lord Krishna. C. Lord Ganesha. D. Lord Hanuman. B. Lord Krishna. Question 3 of 30. Varanasi is also known by which ancient name? A. Kashi. B. Pataliputra. C. Ujjain. D. Indraprasth. A. Kashi. Question 4 of 30. Prayagraj was earlier known by which name? A. Kanpur. B. Allahabad. C. Kashi. D. Ayodhya. B. Allahabad. Question 5 of 30. At the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, the Ganga and Yamuna meet which mythical river? A. Narmada. B. Godavari. C. Saraswati. D. Kaveri. C. Saraswati. Question 6 of 30. Jhansi is famously associated with which warrior queen? A. Rani Padmini. B. Rani Lakshmibai. C. Rani Durgavati. D. Ahilyabai Holkar. B. Rani Lakshmibai. Question 7 of 30. The Kakori train action of 1925 took place near which UP city? A. Kanpur. B. Lucknow. C. Meerut. D. Agra. B. Lucknow. Question 8 of 30. Who was the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? A. Sampurnanand. B. Govind Ballabh Pant. C. Chaudhry Charan Singh. D. Hemwati Nand. D. C. B. Govind Ballabh Pant. A. Sampurnanand. B. Govind Ballabh Pant. C. Chaudhry Charan Singh. D. Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna. B. Govind Ballabh Pant. Question 9 of 30. Aligarh is home to which famous university? A. Banaras Hindu University. B. Aligarh Muslim University. C. Lucknow University. D. Allahabad University. B. Aligarh Muslim University. Question 10 of 30. Banaras Hindu University (BHU) is located in which city? A. Varanasi. B. Prayagraj. C. Kanpur. D. Lucknow. U. A. Varanasi. Question 11 of 30. As per recent reorganization, how many districts does Uttar Pradesh have? A. 70. B. 72. C. 75. D. 78. C. 75. Question 12 of 30. How many seats are there in the UP Legislative Assembly, Vidhan Sabha? A. 380. B. 403. C. 425. D. 350. B. 403. Question 13 of 30. How many Lok Sabha seats does Uttar Pradesh have, the highest of any state? A. 70. B. 75. C. 80. D. 85. C. 80. Question 14 of 30. Which UP city is famous as the Brass City, Pital Nagri? A. Moradabad. B. Aligarh. C. Etawah. D. Bareilly. A. Moradabad. Question 15 of 30. Which UP city is famous for its glass and bangle industry? A. Firozabad. B. Hathras. C. Mainpuri. D. Etah. A. Firozabad. Question 16 of 30. Which UP city, district is renowned for hand-knotted carpet weaving? A. Bhadohi. B. Mirzapur. C. Sonbhadra. D. Chandauli. A. Bhadohi. Question 17 of 30. Which UP city is known as the Sports City of India for sports goods manufacturing? A. Meerut. B. Saharanpur. C. Muzaffarnagar. D. Bulandshahr. A. Meerut. Question 18 of 30. Lucknow is especially famous for which traditional embroidery craft? A. Kanpur Zari. B. Chicken curry. C. Banarasi Zardozi. D. Kshida. B. Chicken curry. Question 19 of 30. Which Mughal emperor built the Agra fort? A. Babur. B. Humayun. C. Akbar. D. Shah Jahan. UP. D. Shah Jahan. Question 20 of 30. Fatehpur Sikri served as the capital of which Mughal emperor? A. Akbar. B. Jahangir. C. Aurangzeb. D. Shah Jahan. A. Akbar. Question 21 of 30. The revolt of 1857, First War of Independence, began in which UP city? A. Kanpur. B. Meerut. C. Lucknow. D. Jhansi. B. Meerut. Question 22 of 30. Uttar Pradesh shares an international border with which country? A. Bhutan. B. Nepal. C. Bangladesh. D. China. B. Nepal. Question 23 of 30. Uttar Pradesh borders how many other Indian states, the most of any state? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. C. 9. Question 24 of 30. The Allahabad High Court, one of India's oldest, is located in which city? A. Lucknow. B. Prayagraj. C. Kanpur. D. Varanasi. UP. B. Prayagraj. Question 25 of 30. IIT Kanpur. Question 26 of 30. The famous Gorakhnath temple is located in which UP city? A. Gorakhpur. B. Basti. C. Deoria. D. Azamgarh. UP. A. Gorakhpur. Question 27 of 30. Dudhwa National Park in UP's Tere region is especially known for which animal? A. Lions. B. Tigers. C. Rhinos only. D. Snow leopards. B. Tigers. Question 28 of 30. The Darul Uloom Deoband, a major Islamic seminary, is located in which UP district? A. Muzaffarnagar. B. Saharanpur. C. Bijnor. D. Meerut. B. Saharanpur. Question 29 of 30. Uttar Pradesh is India's largest producer of which cash crop? A. Wheat. B. Sugarcane. C. Cotton. D. Tea. B. Sugarcane. Question 30 of 30. Varanasi is famous worldwide for weaving which traditional silk sari? A. Kanjivaram sari. B. Banarasi sari. C. Pathani sari. D. Chanderi sari. B. Banarasi sari. C. Pathani. B. Saharanpur. C. Bijnor. D. Meerut. D. Meerut. C. B. Saharanpur. Question 29 of 30. Uttar Pradesh is India's largest producer of which cash crop? A. Wheat. B. Sugarcane. C. Cotton. D. Tea. B. Sugarcane. Question 30 of 30. Varanasi is famous worldwide for weaving which traditional silk sari? A. Kanjivaram sari. B. Banarasi sari. C. Pathani sari. D. Chanderi sari. B. Banaras.